Allie Borealis here. Welcome to my channel and thanks for subscribing. Was I able to get this 5-pound jewelry jar bag through TSA and on a flight? Watch and find out. So I'm in Canada and I got this honkin' bag at a thrift store and I picked it up because so many of my Canadian friends say that they can't find jewelry boxes and jars and bags in Canada. And this one just really landed in my lap. So the trick is to get it through TSA. I thought about putting it in my luggage, but I've had my luggage gone through before on the other end when I got the luggage. So I thought I really want to keep an eye on it. So I decided just to put it in my carry-on. So we're almost to the airport in our rental car and I'm gonna take what I found in my carry-on. I have a lot of loose items in here from the thrift store. And then I have my really large bundle of jewelry that I'm hoping they're gonna let me on the plate with this. I'm just wondering because, it's a bag full of metal on the x-ray and that they might want to like go through it or open it or might not even allow me to take it at all. So what I did do is I put it in a second bag and put the original receipt in with it. We drove up to Canada and back, and then we're taking a flight out of Seattle to Los Angeles. So it's a domestic flight. Now, something to note, if it makes a difference, is that we are going through TSA pre-check. Now, TSA pre-check doesn't want you to take anything out of your bags, or they don't want you to take your shoes off. They want to get everybody through as quickly as possible, which is a good thing. So I just laid my whole bag down, went through the metal detector, and then I did not see my bag come out the other side. And it turned out it was way over there in the corner, and I'm watching this guy pull my stuff out. He pulled the individual jewelry bag out and then he's handling the bundle and I'm getting real nervous. And what is he gonna do with it? And he puts it back in my bag and doesn't even open it. So score! I got through TSA and they didn't even open the bag. So I made it home with it, and it is a 5-pound, 10-ounce bag that I'm going to be opening real soon, so tune in for that one. Thanks for joining me today. If you like what you're seeing, hit that subscribe button. It's free.